Hi everyone, Joy here. I'm excited that you're on this video. That means that you're going to discover a very effective way of turning your Facebook profile, whether it's personal business profile or your Facebook group and your Facebook group, into a social media lead machine. Now, I've learned this from a mentor about a year ago, probably more than like 14 months ago. And it is something that works incredibly well. It doesn't cost you any money, and it's a hack that I just want to share with you guys. So this is a very short video. It is something very simple that you can implement in your business, and it really works wonders. So let me share my screen with you and show you what I have done. So basically, this is my personal Facebook page. And so with that, what I want to show you guys in this video is look at my banner. Look at the banner that I've created. So I have created this banner in Canva. You guys know I'm a Canva fan. And I've just basically, put in this banner what I'm all about. So I'm a digital marketer, I'm a coach, I'm a mentor, and I'm saying discover the inside secrets to digital marketing for successful affiliate and MLM funnels, because that is what my Facebook group is all about. I'm teaching people how to use sales funnels to generate leads and to create and basically to make sales. And when you click on this, I mean, everybody knows it's not actually going to go somewhere, this button, but then it opens this and here you can see, it's basically the same concept, and you just click on that and then that will take you through to my Facebook group. Now, also what I want to show you guys, like on my personal Facebook page, I have here intros, entrepreneur, digital marketer, create success, podcaster, coach, and a Christian. That's my bio. And then I've got here also, I love traveling, so yes, some travel photos, and then I like to share silly things on my profile. But what you guys will notice, and I do a mix between personal things so people can get to know me as a person, and I also share things that happen in my life, and I don't over exaggerate. Like I don't over post things. I like to keep things with my friends, with my kids. Also here what I'm saying is, I like to mix up the business and the pleasure a little bit. So yeah, I'm saying 2019 versus 2020 Facebook groups. So I'm basically talking about Facebook groups and my decision about them. And, so I've got some people commenting on there. And this is really, for me personally, this works for me to do the whole mix between them all. Now and again, I would just put something out there that's saying, being an entrepreneur is hard. If anyone ever told you it is easy, they're telling you a sack of lies. So I'm basically telling people, and you can see, I've got some comments on there, but that's basically it, guys. So, my profile, there's never anything negative on my Facebook profile. Also saying that I'm not actually a negative person. So, you will never find anything negative. I'm not angry on my Facebook profile. I'm not sharing nonsense. And this is the important thing, because there's so many entrepreneurs out there. You look at their profile and you're like, ooh, their profiles look so negative. They're sharing crap, really. And this is the type of things that you need to avoid, because when you post something somewhere and people look at your profile, your Facebook profile, they need to feel like, okay, wow, I actually want to do business with this person, right? And if you're going to have negative nonsense on your personal profile, then nobody's going to actually want to be, doing business with you. And so here as well, I've got a few Facebook pages, but over here, so this is my business page, and it's the same concept. I've got my digital marketer, coach, mentor. I'm saying to people, learning strategies. It's the same concept. And there I've got exactly the same little spiel linking them to my Facebook group, because that's what it's all about. I want to drive people to my Facebook group. Now you can do something else. If you don't have a Facebook group, then put something to your website, but make sure that whatever you put to your website is a lead machine, so you collect an email address. Because when you join my Facebook group, I'm going to ask you for your email address, and that's how I basically do that. All right, so guys, that's basically it. I should be more busy on my business Facebook page. I'm working on that. I'm doing some crazy post thingies there. But that is the whole concept. I'm going to stop sharing. That is the whole concept of you turning your Facebook into a social media lead machine. And we are doing this because it is completely and utterly free. It doesn't cost anything. It makes you look more professional. And you just, you're going to generate leads. I generate on average, I don't want to thumb suck, but probably 20-ish leads a week that I know for a fact comes only from my Facebook profile looking like that. And that's not too bad, right? So just purely generating leads from there. And that's it. That is how easy it is. I have created the banner in Canva. So if you want that template and you do have a Canva account, remember Canva is free to a certain point. Reach out to me. I can send you the template and you can just share, I can share the template with you that you can open in Canva and you can just edit it for your own. And it is that simple, guys. I will talk to you soon, and let me know if there's any other videos that you would like me to make or any questions that you have for your entrepreneurial journey. I'll be happy to share. And if I don't know the answers, I will find a guru that will have the answers and we will interview them. I'll talk to you guys soon, and please support me. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it, subscribe, and just do all the wonderful great things about it. And I will talk to you guys soon.